Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to check whether AWS is experiencing downtime or issues. It's crucial to stay informed about the status of AWS services to ensure the smooth operation of your applications and workloads. To check the status, open any web browser and type health.aws.amazon.com/health/status and press enter. I will provide the link in description. This is official AWS Service Health dashboard page which provide real-time information about the status of various Amazon Web Services resources across the globes. Here you can see there is no issues of services. You can view each AWS service based on its location. A green tick indicates that everything is okay, but if you see any other symbol, there might be an issue. Click on the tab corresponding to the location for which you want to view the service status. Click on List of Events which is on process or will happen in future. If you wish to view only your organization's health, click here, and you will be able to see the current status. Click on Refresh button at the top to get latest service health. In this way we can check AWS service status. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.